Please pay attention to the following instructions. Our train is equipped with an air purification system that eliminates viruses and bacteria. The emergency exit is located where you boarded. First aid supplies are located in our service area. In accordance with Peruvian laws, smoking is not allowed on board the train. Thank you for your attention.
We want to take a picture of both of you.
Oh, you want to?
Oh, you got.
Ella es mi razón de ser y luchar.
Exotica.
Please stay here, please, together with this group. Joaquina.
Right? Some people call Aguascalientes because up there on the top we have a hot springs. That's the reason that this town is because it was called Aguascalientes, right? But please, no more Machu Picchu town, okay? What we need when we are going to Machu Picchu is, you can take with you a bottle of water, some snacks, some cereal bar, chocolate, some fruit with you. But don't take with you a food, because it's prohibited up there, okay? Like I explained you before to come here to our office, I recommend to leave the jackets, to leave the heavy things, because now you can feel that it started getting hot, right? When we be outside, you will feel more. Here is warm. When we be outside, we can feel that it's really hot. Up there is the same. Up there is no places to cover for the sun because it's open the Machu Picchu. Okay? If you have a hat, you can take with you some hat. If you don't have, you can buy. It's up to you. Some's black. Why? I was white. Now I'm black. Yes, yes. I didn't use a sunblock.
You mean Caucasian white?
Yeah. Raincoat, yes. You can take with you some raincoat. Please, it's really important to take for us repellent for the mosquitoes, right? Because here in this town there are a lot of mosquitoes, and the mosquitoes love the touristic people. They really love you. Out there are more and you feel. Okay? Please, what else? Take with you your passport and your tickets in your hand. Don't keep in our storage. You must show before to catch the bus, before the entrance to the beach as well. May I see the tickets that the agents give you, please?
Excuse me, my friends, please, exotica.
Please, we're going to line up in here. Yes, we need ticket and passport, please.
Durand.
We don't need any more the ticket, please. No more ticket inside of Machu Picchu, please. Put away everything.
Put it away.
We gotta go down there.
Where do you think it's?
Oh, we gotta go up there.
You want to stay? Yeah. Oh, to go up here.
Oh yeah, right.
On the mountain, going down. Going down. Can you see the shape like a V? Oh, yeah, right in front of us. Natural shape with that V.
As soon as we're going to arrive to the highest point, guys, the people, they're going to split. Take you some picture, go inside.
This side?
Yes, you.
Okay.
Mike, bring everybody here. Jackson, come here.
Wow, perfect. Over.
That mountain is located behind us. That mountain is Machu Picchu, old mountain. In the other side, we're going to see Huayna Picchu. Huayna Picchu meaning is young mountain. Between these two mountains, we have this amazing building as a Machu Picchu. We don't know about the real name of this Inca city. All of that writing, like information about Machu Picchu, we have from 1911 up, when Machu Picchu was rediscovered by American people Hiram Bingham. I'm going to show in this book the Hiram Bingham picture. When he arrived to these mountains, he took a lot of pictures. He took all of that information like a picture to National Geographic. That's why Machu Picchu getting famous. You can see when Hiram Bingham, when he arrived to this mountain, Machu Picchu was covered by the jungle. Covered by the jungle. This is the picture from 1911. Who was those people? I'm going to show the Hiram Bingham picture too. You can see here Hiram Bingham. This is the guide who was people rediscovered Machu Picchu in 1911. He doesn't come in here to South America, guys, find Machu Picchu, because he was like an anthropology. He was like a historian teacher from one of the university from United States. Yes, he was from one of the university, Yale University, like a historian teacher. He arrived here to South America for a study about something, about the culture. Like this, he got more information, and then he started making investigation about the Inca society. When he arrived to Cusco, in Cusco, Hiram Bingham, he started asking to the families in which mountains, the people they went to talk to the Hiram Bingham, located all of that oldest building, like a Machu Picchu, another construction we have behind this mountain, Choqquequirao, also about the Vilcabamba. Vilcabamba was the last capital of the Incas. This city is located behind this mountain far away. In this case, Hiram Bingham, he looked into Vilcabamba. Why? Because Vilcabamba was the last capital of the Incas after Spaniards arrived here to South America. In this case, in his mind, I think it was Golden City also. He wanted to find the Golden City. Like this, Hiram Bingham, he took this valley down. In 3 days walking behind Huayna Picchu mountain, he found one family. That family exactly talked to Hiram Bingham about this mountain. Because in that years, all of that construction was into the jungle. That's why when he find a family, he asked into the family, about something in this mountain. That's why the family mentioned up there in Machu Picchu mountain, we have some buildings, we have some terraces. Hiram Bingham offered some money. Like this, next day was July 24, 1911. He was exactly in here in Machu Picchu. That's why we have that picture. After that pictures, Hiram Bingham, he continued with expedition until Vilcabamba. Until Vilcabamba city, because he was in here in South America, like in Peru, guys, more than 3 years making the investigation. After that, went back to United States with all of that information. He showed to National Geographic, also to the university. He got professional people. Back here to Peru, he got permission from the government, and then back here to Machu Picchu. They started cleaning all of that vegetation with the government, also Hiram Bingham people. And then they make excavation in here. That's why in that excavation, the people, they find more than 46,000 artifacts. Like working tools, rolling rocks, hematite rocks. They find handicrafts. They find guys like potteries, ceramic. Also 168 skeletons in different mountains, in different places. According to all of that studies, we have all of that information about Machu Picchu. Nowadays, we have different ideas, but nobody's arriving like 100% what is this one, guys. Yes, hypotheses, ideas about Machu Picchu. For example, Hiram Bingham, he believed Machu Picchu was for the women. For women, because when they making the restoration of the skeletons, all of that skeleton was like a tallest people, was small. Maybe like this they believe. In here in Machu Picchu, the people, they were like a woman's, like a virgin is for father's son. Another people, they believe Machu Picchu like a greenhouse, like one of the second palace of the king. Everybody, they believe Machu Picchu was built in 1400, no, like a 1430s, by the kingdom was Pachacutec Night King. After that one, those people, they use for different kind of ceremonies. Maybe like a religious ceremonies, no, a spiritual way. Also like a political administration, because from these mountains, the people, they went to control all of that stuff they have to Cusco. Also there is another trails connecting here, like an Inca trail. You can see over there in that corner, the B mountain. There is one line coming down. Do you see? Over there, yes? That is the original Inca trail, was from Cusco to Machu Picchu in the Inca time. Nowadays we are doing from Ollantaytambo to Machu Picchu hiking in 4 days. Every day is coming along that trail 500 people. 500 people. Every morning they arrive like at 7 a.m. Like 8 a.m. they arriving here to Machu Picchu. All of those hikers, they going to come in organized by the companies. By the companies, yes. Yes. Now I'm going to show Machu Picchu is divided like in 3 sectors. Have a look. These terraces we can see here. This is agriculture farming terraces. Also this one working as a retaining walls, support to the mountain, support to the mountain. Yeah, that one coming here in Machu Picchu like a 60% all of that construction. After that one, we're going to see in that side living area, urban area. We can see also 2 sectors, right side and left side. Right side for everybody is like an industrial area or regular people houses, workshop. And then in the left side we have most of the important temples, like a Sun Temple, we have Inca house, Mother Earth Temple, we have 3 windows, also sundial. In this case, in the left side, they were important people. So also located all of that nice buildings like a temples. Yeah. Now also you can see the water channel, the unique water channel over there. That water channel coming from outside of the city. Our people, they find spring water over there. They built like 800 meters into the city of Machu Picchu, connecting to the 16 ceremonial water fountains. The people, they supply the water for those people they live in here. The same time they use the water for different kind of ceremonies. That's why our archaeologists in here in Machu Picchu, they believe they were approximately like 500 people. Now we have like 170 houses, and then in each house they calculated like 4 and 5 people. Approximately like 500. That is the estimation of the archaeologists. I'm going to show one of the important sectors in here in Machu Picchu. We have in the middle. Over there, do you see? That is the Sun Temple. Sun Temple is facing to the east. Has 2 windows. One of the windows facing to the Sun Gate. December 22nd, when the sun coming that way up, through in that window, first shadows. That means that one was controlled to the season like a summer, summer solstice, and then another windows to that side, winter solstice. We are talking about the astronomy. The people, they control the years with the astronomy, in which season they were. Like this, the people, they went to relate all of that festivities, ceremonies, all astronomical place. Also, under the Sun Temple we have the cave we call Temple of the Mother Earth. From here we don't have to see. Also, it's not our circuit. I'm going to show that temple, yes, in the picture. You can see here, under the Sun Temple we have the nice carving stone. It's the cave. Nice carving stone. All of that holy area is located in this left side. Now I'm going to explain a little bit why the people, they choose this moment. I'm talking about the spiritual way. In this mountain, guys, you can see why in a picture, Machu Picchu, all of that mountain in front of this Inca city, just one rock, white granite. Most of the composition of this rock is quartz, feldspar, and mica. In this case, this mountain, we're going to say it like a crystal mountains. The people, I think they find in this mountain energy and magnetic. That is the first reason they choose this mountain. After that one, Also, they went to see safe, because they went to adapt all of that structures over the rocky mountain, no, in the upper part. The same time, the people, they built all of that houses, temples, inclining in, trapezoidal shape, stable, support all of that earthquakes, supporting all of the different kind of disaster, earthquakes, floating, landslide. After that one, the people, they have to find in here rocks, material. Rock was here, and then water. I'll show you the water channel. After that one, they went to designing all of that structure, how they went to start building. I think the people, guys, first they built bottom side, terraces. They went to make it more stable the mountain. After that, safe will be all of that living houses, also temples. That way they adapted over that one. Yesterday and today we have nice day. Yeah. Yesterday before was cloudy and raining. Was difficult, guys, with the people walking in here with the poncho, no? Different colors in here. No, it's good for picture. No good for picture.
The weather is bad. No good.
Now from here you can see, have a look, the divided between the agriculture and urban area. Also you can see the big channel. This one is like a
Water.
drainage system.
Irrigation?
No, drainage system, because this dry channel collecting all of that drainage from the underneath of these terraces, also from the houses. In here, finishing the Inca Trail. That original Inca Trail I show you coming from Cusco, finishing here. After that, everyone, they went in that side of the mountain. You can see nice view. Down there you can see the pipe. Two pipes coming down, that is hydroelectric power station. Also in front you can see the like a one lodge in over the mountain, like a houses. Do you see? Near to the vegetation, into the vegetation over there. That way also coming, guys, another trail connecting here to Machu Picchu. Another 400 or 500 people coming that way. Somebody picture in the entrance. You want?
So, probably wood, pines, have to be the main material that they have to use.
Please, we already passed to the main gate of Machu Picchu. This is the main entrance. Also that door was protected by the wooden door. In both sides, maybe you can see the holes, like a rolling rocks. Also in the upper, but there is like a ring stones. The people, they went to protect it, all of that main entrance of here to the urban area of Machu Picchu. Please, this side, yes, possible to see all of that buildings of the houses. Also in the lower part, we're going to see the Sun Temple. This building we can see here, this is a rustic building of Machu Picchu. Between the rocks you can see clay and mortar. Most of the, like 80%, all of that construction in here in Machu Picchu, like in terraces, like in living normal houses, we can see rustic building. No? Clay and mortar between the rocks. That nice building, stone by stone, we're going to see in the temples, in holy areas. Please keep going. When in over Huayna Picchu mountain right now, guys, we have 400 people walking. Every day they going 400 people to that mountain.
¿Puedes tomar foto tú?
Sí. Toma con mi cámara. Coca leaves.
Oh, that's a coca leaf.
You can see here, guys, one little altar carving in the mountain rock. That's why some people, they living in here like some coca leaves, some chocolate, some candy, because our people still, they believe all of these mountains is still alive, no, until nowadays. That's why they living some wish, some offering in this little altar. But 10 years ago, one of the archaeologists, when they scanning with the laser, studying this spot, behind this wall, the old people, they find, guys, like a tunnel connecting to underneath. There is tunnel underneath of Machu Picchu. That's why in that scanning, the old people, they said there is like a tombs, there is like some treasures inside of this building. In this case, under this Machu Picchu, I think there is something more. Maybe there is like a camera. Always with your picture, taking your pictures.
During the immunity level is going to be high. So then you can find one answer that many people will work with. If it's locals, what is already Kenneth Wright engineer said that the water that these people were supplying to Machu Picchu could support a population at least like a 700 to 1,000 people. But those were not the people who built Machu Picchu. The people who were working to build Machu Picchu were brought every year by 3 to 4 months.
Tools, and then they built all of that structure you can see now. That one of the other people that explain, about the huge stones, how the people they cut in the rocks. I think they went to follow the natural crack. After that, when they went to use different kind of tools like the levers, the wood, they went to split the rocks and they went to polish and they went to transport all of that rocks to the buildings. That one of the other people they estimated, this kind of like this construction Machu Picchu. They took more than 80 years building all of that construction. Yes. The people, I think they started building from the bottom. Like this, the people, they move all of that huge stones from up to down. Because difficult to move all of that stones from down to up. But they use different kind of tools, like a rolling rocks, rolling wood. In over that one, the people, they want to put all huge stones, they want to move that one to the lower part of that building. They have techniques, guys. They were smart people.
Those metals, they made tools.
Please, so you can see them here.
Back to Peru, Lima, Cusco, Yantartango. They started to follow the river by this valley because the idea to find the lost and the last city of the Incas is to find it right there inside of the jungle area of Cusco. So this river that we saw along our train ride is a river
Explaining you. You can see the stonework. It's stone by stone. It's round building facing to the east. I said under that one we have nice construction. Nice construction adapted in the mountain rock. Also this temple, the foundation is adapted to the mountain rock. Also in the right side we can see one house. Also the stonework is much better. That is astronomer, priest house. This area was one of the holy area for our peoples. In the left side you can see 2 houses. That houses, our archaeologists, they consider like an Inca house, like an Inca palace. But this area is much better. Yes, Sun Temple, Mother Earth, we have Water Temple, Wind Temple, like a 4 elements together in this spot. We can continue this way, yeah?
You go there, if you kill someone, you don't go to the jail. If some of them kill you, they don't go to the jail. You're in the ritual is allowed to kill.
Like a muña, the men. Yeah, we have over there the angel trumpet. We have in here the bromelia, fuchsia. We have different kind of orchids. We have the hanging lips over there, that is passion fruit. One of the important leaves in here, guys, for us is these coca leaves. Coca plantation, we have little bush behind you. Ancient civilization in here in South America. The people, they know, guys, about the coca leaf was how important. We arrived to one of the school area in here in Machu Picchu. This, I think, yes, right now they went to move, we can see it here. Yeah? This, when you see this kind of construction, to the main square of Machu Picchu. You can see here there's a big platform. Both sides you can see the terraces, also this side, like an amphitheater. The people used to be make here different kind of ceremonies, meetings, rituals. There was one rock standing. The rock was like a monolith in the middle. That rock was destroyed in 1978. That's why right now the rock you can see lay down under the shelter. Because in here in Machu Picchu in 1978 landed helicopter. And that helicopter arrived here, guys, seen from Spain. You can see that picture.
What year?
In 1978. You can see this picture. You can see helicopters in here, and then you can see the people arriving, like a king from Spain. Yes, making happy to those people arriving directly here to Machu Picchu. They destroyed the rock in here in Machu Picchu. Right now, you can see little shelter. 2 months ago, our people, guys, they started making excavation over there. They wanted to return them back, stand in the rock. But the rocks right now, they find broken. That's why they built that little shelter for protection. In the middle of the main square. That bad things, our people, they permit in 1970s. Because still the people, they didn't know about the value of these ones. Even guys, from 1500 until 1800, everything the people, they destroyed the sacred valley in Cusco, everywhere. But we don't know about the value of these ones. Nowadays, this one is protected by UNESCO to our government. One of the this, yes, you can stand in here.
Which rock?
You know the mountain, right now the mountain is into the cloud. Yeah, that mountain we call Yananting. Yananting meaning is like a duality. That's why this rock making the dual to that mountain in here in Machu Picchu. No? Sometimes the people, they used to be make here different kind of ceremonies, festivities. Also they went to ask to the mountain for different kind of things. they're going to ask to the mountain permission, no? Like a permission for different activities. They're going to put here like a some offering. That's why that mountain for the Incas was one of the important holy mountains, yeah, in here in Machu Picchu. That's why we can see also these shelters as like a resting places. The people used to use this one for different kind of ceremonies. That's when we have big space in this spot now for different kind of dance or ceremonies. Huh? That one we call sacred rock. Nowadays this rock.
The sacred rock?
Sacred rock, yes. Nice view. In the website you don't see that side of the buildings like in the picture, always in opposite way, no? From over there with Huayna Picchu Mountain. Please take your picture from here. Also, if you want, I'm going to take your picture with you. Yes, after that only as exit way. Yes, from here we are just 7 minutes or 10 minutes to the outside of the city of Machu Picchu. And the right side of that mountain is located the Aguascalientes or Machu Picchu district. We are coming from that village. We took that bus route coming here and switch back. Also, you can see at the bottom one river going to the north. To the left side. This is the water fountain. And in here, guys, you can see all of that 16 ceremonial water fountains. This is the unique area that people has a water for everyone. They're going to come in here for collecting the water for their activities, you know, for cooking, for drinking, for cleaning. Or some important days, the people they use this water for ceremonies and religious purposes. That's why we have in 16 water fountains in total from here to down there. Now we are in the lower part of the Sun Temple, getting closer to the temple, but we don't have to go in, but we're going to close this one. The last picture.
Especially because my son loves cooking.
Can you pass me the pepper?
It's green. Oh, it's green? I don't know what this is. That's the pepper.
Oh shit, this